chill with these fuck niggas, man. You know how we do it, bitch, I'm hard, right? Oh my god, nigga, I be sitting toilet bars, nigga. What you want, nigga? I steal your car, nigga, from your mom's, nigga. You know how we do it, bitch. I'm selling since I'm born, nigga. So if you wanna test me, come step to me. You ain't gon' step to me cause you ain't rapping shit. I be on C-Block talking about clock work. And you know how we get it, bitch, we got clock work. I'm talking wrist work, yo, Pyrex work. Bitch, I got pounds and I don't flip none up. Nigga, I'm getting money to the inside. Y'all niggas mad at me cause y'all fishing in, son. Y'all trying to
eat. But listen though, it's your boy Def D. But listen. Yo, if you want beef, yeah, you can come holler. Shells in your body, yeah, like a pop dollar. I'm just trying to be one of the best. 592, yeah, tatted on the chest. Party every day, yeah, high as a kite, yeah. Fuck with Blocky, yeah, nigga, showing me right. And I stay on the block and I stay looking nice. I don't like the fucking beef, but I quick to grip a pipe. Nigga, stay with the hammer and I stay with it right. Nigga, try rob me. Nigga, think about your life and I won't think twice to pull the trigger twice. Nigga, don't fuck around. Yeah, D with any yo, something easy. Boy, you getting it?
Look. I say we grip it right like the girl grip pipe. If she really want it all day, get it all night. Money ain't my issue. You gon' need a tissue. Tryna get them sneakers for the low, nah, I miss you. Kiss goodbye, wet shirt, t-shirt full of red. Call that shit bloody red. Rojo, you heard what I said. I get my money, talking about them big stacks. Niggas like that shit, instrumental, get back. This shit so easy, Dr. Seuss. Niggas like me, be the reason you know too. Shit, the dentist, I get it easy. Freeze a bag of shit, bag it up and sell it. Give it away to the kids all up on the block. While your hoe blowing me down, call that shit best cock. Show, nigga.